So I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I'm at this car meet, South Orange County Cars and Coffee in California right now, and we're gonna check out some of these exotics, non-exotics, muscle cars, whatever they got. We're gonna take a look at it today. ACR Viper, all black. SRT, oh my god. Check out that hood. And it looks like it has Alcantara steering wheel with a red center line. It's pretty dope. Just check out the front. Got some canards, really huge front lid. It's pretty sick. And it's sex. I like this color combination. Check out this Aventador. This thing's pretty sick. Carbon fiber, rear spoiler. Check out that interior. It's pretty sick. So low to the ground. Oh my god. See that front lip? It's pretty crazy. Got a Rolls Royce, Mclaren. What is that, a 570? Check out that interior color. It's pretty sick. Another Aventador 458. This thing's pretty sick. Check out that diamond quilted interior. It's pretty sick. These air ducts right here look pretty dope. Sounds like it's packing. Over here you got that RS Camaro with a supercharger. It's pretty cool. This guy got some dive planes, some canards on here too. And I like these wheels. That gray color is pretty nice. Red interior. Manual, pretty sick. Another GT3. This one got the PDK for sure. Just saw that. Got a little Mustang. I'm scared of those. Wide body Hellcat Challenger right here. This thing's pretty nice. It's my first time seeing it up close in person, and man, that thing is huge. This car is huge. That's why they call it a boat. I see why now. Wow. I like that spoiler though. Thing's pretty nice. F8 green. Love this color. It looks better in person than it does online, to be honest.
Yeah. It's going.
It's pretty sick.
I did a thing. What'd you do? Oh.
M3 here, carbon fiber mirrors. It's pretty sick. Black interior. This one has DCT. Like these wheels. A nice red color too. Wide body scat pack right here. Thing looks good in person. Look at that. Big brakes. Wide body Challenger scat. Definitely pops. Definitely pops. Got that carbon fiber rear wing. This car has, let's figure out the wheel. Okay, so this car has 335/25 ZR20. So it's the same as the Z06 Corvette. It's just probably more sticky tires, different brand. Right? ZR1 badging. This thing is pretty crazy. And then check out the interior. It has orange seat belts. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's a manual too. Okay. It's a manual. Black C7. Jaguar F-Type Svr right here. Check out that interior. Pretty nice. I haven't seen one of these up close yet. First time. These things are loud. Looking great. some more Corvettes over here. This is a Z06, older generation. And then you got a Z51 C7 right here in this.
Yeah.
I like this color too. It sparkles a lot. I don't know if you can see, but it sparkles a lot. It's pretty cool. And here we go with the C8. Ca Corvette, all black, red calipers. This thing looks pretty good in person. Check out that engine bay. Carbon fiber in there.
So that's the whole thing. That seems awful pricey.
And then we got a red one.
No, to bring it across.
This one got the black wheels. That one has like the dark gray wheels. Let's check out this one right here. Red interior. Wow. Red and black interior. This thing looks pretty sick in red too, I'm not even gonna lie. Ford GT. Look at those tips. Check that out. I haven't seen one of these in person yet. First time. Thing's pretty sick. Check out that interior. That's what it looks like in there. Look at this. This green is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. F8 Tributo right here. This thing's pretty nice. Check out that front end. Good school. Sorry. This thing's pretty sick, honestly.
Oh yeah. No, just going after.
But let's step aside and look at this Alfa Romeo right here. This thing's pretty nice too. I didn't forget about these. These are pretty nice. 505 horsepower. You know, 2.9 liter V6. Thing's pretty nice. And I don't know if this is a wrap. I don't know if this is a wrap, but I like that color. It's like a satin gray, satin metallic, not sure. This is how you know it's legit Clover. This thing's pretty nice. Carbon fiber mirrors. Color on this Maserati is crazy. This color, I've never seen this color on a Maserati before. It's pretty sick, honestly. Got a massive rear carbon fiber spoiler. Look at that thing. Thing's pretty sick. And these wheels are fire. Maserati GTS. Rear diffuser too. It's pretty nice. AMG GT. I like these. Anything AMG, I like that. Bikes at a car show. Thing's pretty nice.
That's some how many horses.
Nah, I'm good. Ducati. Anything Ducati, legendary. I like that. I think this is a Hellcat swap Gladiator. Look at how big these tires are. They're huge. Spare in the back. This thing is tall as hell. This thing is pretty tall. I'm gonna show you the supercharger in the front, the Hellcat engine.
Demon swapped Rubicon.
Paint is immaculate. There it goes right there.
Yeah.
Hellcat engine. Nice M3 air, a little carbon fiber. This is like a wrap. on the lip of the trunk. It's pretty cool. Check that out. I don't know the exact color, the exact name of this color, but it's in person, it looks pretty dope. And it got the same thing on the hood. It's pretty dope. And here we got the M5 2018 2020 M5 in this nice blue wrap. It's like a satin metallic, not sure. I don't know what this color is, but it's pretty sick. Check out the wheels and the brakes, 6 pistons. You know, I like these. They fast as hell. Quad tips, little diffuser. Yeah, I like these a lot. They fast. Got some NSX chilling right here. I like that blue one. It's pretty dope color.
No, I didn't. Do you have an iPhone I can airdrop it to you?
Yeah, but
And there's an R8 over there. I want to check it out. It almost looks like Fresh Kicks old R8, kind of. I don't know if it is, but we're gonna take a look. This is definitely a 610 plus. Like, I don't want to say it's a red, but it looks like a bit of red mixed with a bit of orange. In a way, it looks sick. Carbon fiber mirrors. You already know that side blade. And then these huge wheels. Pilot Sport 4S's. Let's see the tire size on this. These are pretty wide. They gotta be at least 305. I can't see. 325, 25, R20. So they're 325 in the rear. It's pretty sick. Check out the rear end, that spoiler. Rated R8. That's a nice plate. Yeah, these are pretty dope, man. Got the GTR chilling right here. This thing look, I love these wheels. I love these wheels. 255, 40, R20. So these are 255s in the front. 285s in the rear. Not bad. E63S right here. I like these a lot. This is what my boy got. M6 Grand Coupe. And you got another Scat, some SRTs. It's pretty nice. But this GTR though, I can't get over it. I like that dark red. That dark red on the calipers. But I would probably do, like, if it was me, I would do like a brighter color, like a really bright green or something like that. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you've seen today, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.